Hey friends, Adam Chandler here coming at you from my home office in Fort Collins, Colorado. And if you're watching this video right now, then you're most likely doing some research into a company called OrganoGold. Now, OrganoGold, if you're watching this video right now because you're a distributor of OrganoGold, you're looking to see how other people are marketing the business, what other people are saying about the business, or you found this video because you were searching around, you're wondering if this is a legit business opportunity, maybe somebody exposed you to the business and you're looking around online to see what people have to say about the video. Either way, you're in the right place watching this video right now because OrganoGold, first of all, let me just congratulate you on looking into free enterprise. This company, OrganoGold, is a stellar company. It is a company with outstanding leadership. You've got a truly unique product. It's not a product that has been done to death in the network marketing industry the way a lot of companies and a lot of products have. You've got a wonderful product. You've got great leadership. I've had the privilege of working with and talking to a lot of OrganoGold reps, and you've just all around got a great company. The problem is, and this is the problem with any network marketing company, the company doesn't really teach anything outside of prospect your family and friends, make a warm list of your family and friends. Not that that's not a great place to start, but what if you don't have a lot of credibility with your family and friends? What if you haven't been successful at something in the past, so you don't have a lot of influence with your family and friends? Or maybe you just don't have a high quality list of business savvy family and friends. It's the case a lot of times with network marketers, and that should not deter you from being successful in the business the way it unfortunately does for a lot of people. So what I want to show you is how you can market your business online, how you can actually find people who are looking to start a business. You can find people who are looking for ways to generate extra income based on what they're doing in the search engines and based on what their activity in social media. There's millions of people out there online that are looking for alternative income streams, and I want to show you how to position yourself so that you can attract people into your OrganoGold business rather than hunting after them, pounding the pavement, so to speak, going after these people. We can show you, and I want to give you a website and some training that's going to be absolutely free, so that's going to really show you how to leverage your OrganoGold business. So what you're going to want to do is go down to the link below this video, click on that link, or you can just type it in right here, this website right here. Go there right now. You're going to get some free training on how you can just blow up your OrganoGold business. I look forward to seeing you on the next page, and I look forward to seeing you at the top. Take care, guys.